a bisque. It's gonna be pretty boring today. There is this company called Athey. They make natural soaps and essential oil, so they wanted me to make them some burners. So that's what I'm doing, and this whole kiln is full of burners. That one actually one of my students made, and I like it. If you can see the texture, you see that? She brought like this glass bowl, and maybe I should have taken a video of how she made it. First we put it on top, and then we flipped the clay, so because she wanted the pattern to be on the outside and not on the inside, just like the original bowl, and it turned out to be nice. Okay, so these are all tops for the burner. Everything came out nice. Maybe smooth. Looks like a hat, like a little tiny hat. I like it. An owl, that's one of my students made. And that is actually, it's underglazed, that we decided to try to see how it's going to work. Then we're going to fire it again. We're going to put some clear glaze on it and see how it's going to come out. Aha. כבוד השופט אבי כהן. That's my brother-in-law. He became a judge in Israel. Judge Avi Cohen. So I made him a special cup. Okay. More. And more. Maybe I should put it here. It's amazing. It takes me about sometimes between half an hour to an hour to load a kiln that size, which is not big. The kiln is very small. And it can take me about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to unload it. More. I like the sound of it. Okay. Kochi made another one. And actually, she made more. That's black clay. It's still wet. She likes to put them in the garden. And they turn out very nice. Okay. That's another thing she made. Oh. This is like the second time it happens to her. And I know the reason why it happens. It's because when she presses the leaf, the stem, she presses it too hard. That's why it happens. So, she's not going to be happy about it, but it is what it is. What can I do? That's one of my students made. It's cute. More more. One of my students. See this? It's got like this pattern in it. Because she made this, actually made a video of it, because she made this thing on the wheel and all of a sudden it turned out that the bottom was missing. So I said to her, so what do you want to do about it? Because the wall came out nice. And I said to her, you know what? Let's keep the wall and make like a bottom. So I have this like silicone pattern. So we made like a, we cut like a circle and we touched it. I think it's nice. Even though it's on the inside, I think it looks nice. Wow. This also one of my students made. She takes pine needles and she, how would you say it?
Weave. Weave.
She weaves them?
Weaves them.
She weaves them. And it's beautiful. And this is another company that wants me to make like a, this is for soap.
Mm-hmm.
I actually made this one before, but they wanted the inside to be more
Deep.
deep. Somebody's doing something outside. Anyway, so that's it for today, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.